This Thai fruit is so nice. It actually tastes like just like a strawberry, exactly the same. But obviously it's not. Different texture, but the taste tastes like strawberry. So it's obviously some kind of berry. Oh, so nice. I'll get the name of it and I'll put it in the description. I'll find out the name of it. But yeah, if you get a chance to try this, forget that durian shit. This is the governor. Mmm, so good. Here it is. How much for a bag? You like that?
$2.
Yeah,
50 บาท
that's what they look like before they're cut.
50 บาท
And what's the name of it? What's it called?
มังคุด
Chuarai?
มังคุด
Mongkud.
มังคุด
Mankud. Mankud. And this is how you cut them.
อร่อย
Alloy Mac. And that's it. And it tastes just like a strawberry. Thank you all. Mankud.
เออ
Oh,
เก็บ put back for mom
fucking lovely.
Oh,